Welcome to English Language and Literature. Today we're diving into the eerie world of The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde by Robert Louis Stevenson. What happens when a man's darker side is unleashed? The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde explores this question through the gripping tale of a respectable doctor and his monstrous alter ego. The novella opens with Mr. Utterson, a London lawyer who becomes increasingly concerned about his friend, Dr. Henry Jekyll. Jekyll's strange behavior and his troubling association with the sinister Edward Hyde begin to unravel a mystery that grips Utterson and the reader. Edward Hyde, described as deformed and repulsive, is not just any criminal. He embodies pure evil, but why is Dr. Jekyll, a man known for his kindness and generosity, so closely connected to such a vile figure? As the story unfolds, we discover that Dr. Jekyll has been conducting dangerous experiments to separate his good and evil sides. This leads to the creation of Mr. Hyde, a manifestation of Jekyll's darkest impulses, who soon gains more control than Jekyll anticipated. Hyde's actions grow increasingly violent, culminating in murder. Jekyll's attempts to repress Hyde fail, and the transformation becomes uncontrollable, sealing Jekyll's tragic fate. In the novella's haunting conclusion, Utterson learns the full extent of Jekyll's transformation, revealing the terrifying duality that lies within us all. The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde remains a chilling reminder of the complexity of human nature. It's a story that lingers in the mind, making us question the boundaries between good and evil. Thanks for joining us on this dark journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more literary insights. Until next time.